In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make this design of lapel pin with just satin fabric. For this tutorial, I'll be needing a satin fabric. I'm using a doll face satin fabric. I would also be needing gum stay or wadding, a pen, a small round shape object, matching color of thread and needle, lapel pin, lighter, tailor's chalk, a pair of scissors to cut the fabric. I would also be needing candle wax, or you may want to use your hot glue gun. Then I'll be using UHU gum, which is optional. And lastly, I'll be needing my measurement tape to measure the fabric. I'm going to measure and cut out 2 inches by 2 inches fabric. I would be needing this in 8 pieces, so I'm going to cut out 8 pieces of this. Now I'll get my lighter and I'll use my lighter to burn the edges to prevent it from frilling. I'm going to start with the first 3 fabric. I'll get one of the fabric like so. This is the wrong side. This side is the wrong side and this is the right side. So I'm going to be folding like so that the right side will be on the outside and the wrong side will be on the inside. Then after folding, I folded into a triangular form or shape. I'll hold it like so, then I'll fold the other one like so as well. Can you see? Then I'll place this on here like so. So I want to arrange that properly. Can you see? Then I'll get my needle and my thread and I'll make a running stitches on it, on this part. So watch carefully so you understand. This I'm going to be making my running stitches. So I'm going to drag that and I'll get the third fabric and I'll fold into a triangular form and I'll place it on here like so. Then I'll make my running stitches. So this is what I've gotten so far. Now I'll take this part, okay? So when you are done, you have something like this, and when you've gotten to this stage, you have something like this. Then I'm going to take this like so, just watch closely, and I'll bring it here. I hope you get this part. Let me do that again. You take the fabric like so and you push it in and hold it here and here. That's it. So and I'm going to make my running stitches from this point, so I'll continue with my running stitches now. Okay, so I'm going to drag that now. So I'll have something like this. I'm not done yet. Now I'm going to pull the thread. You pull tight like so, and this is what you will have. Can you see? So after pulling the thread, I'm going to knot the thread and cut out the excess thread. I'll set this aside first. I'll get one of this fabric, I'll fold again, then I'll get the other one. Please, you have to be conscious of the wrong side and the right side of the fabric, okay? So I'm going to place it like so. Then I'm going to be making my running stitches as usual. Okay, please wash carefully at this point. You are going to take it like so and place it on here. Can you see? And I'll get my needle and my threads to make my running stitches. Can you see? So I'm going to pull this now. This is what you will have. So I'm going to pull. I'll pull tightly and I'll tie. I'll knot this. Then I'm going to cut out the excess thread. So this is what I've got. Now I will take this part, then I'm going to be using my lighter to burn that to prevent it from freely. Just burn. But you want to be careful so you don't end up burning the thread. Now I'll get my candle wax. I'm going to use my lighter to get the gum or to melt the candle wax. So with this I have the gum. I'm going to apply that on here like so. And then I'm going to place it on the middle here. So you push that in gently, you give that some, you apply some pressure and then you leave it for some time so that it will gum properly. Okay. So now I'll go ahead and just arrange this. Can you see? So the next thing I'm going to do is I'll get my round shape object and the soft wadding, or you could use gum stay. Then I'll get my pen to rule a round shape on the wadding, after which I'm going to be cutting that out. So I cut that out with my picking chair scissors. I'm going to get the lapel pin now, then I'll get my gum. Before then, I'm going to burn this part properly before I apply or gum this down. So I will just burn. So I have a neat work here. Can you see? Then I'll get my gum. You may want to use your UH gum or UHN gum at this point, but I'll be using hot glue gun or candle wax. So I'm going to apply my gum to this part. Okay, so I decided to use the hairy part. So you want to be careful to avoid gum stains. And then I'll place that on you like so. Then you press that down. Can you see? So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply my gum again. I'm going to apply the gum. I'll apply the gum on the lapel pin like so. Can you see? And I'm going to place it and press it down. So you apply pressure and that's it. So I'll turn to the front or to the other side, yeah, to the front, and then I will arrange this properly. And this is the finished look of the lapel pin. Please endeavor to like and comment on this video, and also subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos if you haven't subscribed.